Hey guys, my name is Sky, and for today's video I'll be showing you how to add green screens to your videos. So green screens are just overlays that you could put over your media. So the apps I will be using is Pocket Video. When you go to Pocket Video, click on the plus button that says Start New Project, then click on Custom Video and click on Landscape. Then you're going to press the plus button and select Camera Roll to add your media. So I just made this quick video. So as you can see, I just made this quick video just to show you guys as an example. So yeah, what we're going to do is you're going to click on Video Sticker, then press Add, and you could either select it from camera, but I'm just going to use YouTube. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to search up the specific green screen that you want. So I'm just going to search up Glitchy Star green screen animation, and after you select your video, it should pop up. So then you're just going to click on the one that you want, and I chose this one, and this is what the green screen looks like without removing the green screen. So then what you're going to click on is Done and import that. You could also zoom in so then it could fill in the whole screen, but yeah, I just zoomed it in. And then what you're going to do is press Mask and click on Green Screen. This is what it should look like now. So as you can see, it still has the actual volume from the other video. So what you're going to do is just lower that all the way. And then, yeah, this is what it should look like. But now you could also click on another one, and you could also overlay multiple green screens. So I'm just going to put burst pop green screen animation, and then it should pop up. So on Pocket Video, it allows you to use like 4, but if you want more, then you have to pay. But this is what the green screen looks like, and then you're going to click on that. Then you're just going to zoom it in and try to find out where the pop is actually going to come. And then when you click on Mask Green Screen, then you could see the actual burst. So you could remove it and try to place it where it's supposed to be. So this is what it should look like. Okay, so now that you're happy with your final product, you're just going to click on Finish. Then it should give you like a, do you want to add music? I selected no because I already added the music on top of the media, but if you haven't already, then I suggest you click yes. Then after you do that, then you should just save to your camera roll, and this is the final product. Okay guys, so that was the end of the video. Hopefully you learned how to overlap green screens to your media, but yeah, if you learned something, then please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below whether you want me to teach you guys how to overlap actual social media icons for your videos. That's it for today's video. Bye guys.